le week man in Chaunumi actually in marketing fundraising Palwarachana. The whole world is watching.
Beritual arangeni wun uneno nywer mauti me ikare me fundraising. Beritual luak ma wun uneno wa nyak luan la di ben tine abiono kanywak ko lok mo manana man lok ma nywer mauti me kin Jenneth Prischa ma la we madit ma wun ngeo kachil ki la dit zero buga ma en ochung me ber mea dong pe karma la laj bene olo ke gomarach kuine dong po beru ka pong irwel marwateni ibab wek no en obed mea atamani nywer beru tikin jo arioni lutua fundraising man kono kauno pengeo utimeki Acholi Inn kama dano madong beru timadung ladita minister mao waberu ki ladit general utema Charles Sawan waberu ki honorable Lujar Mapendusi waberu ki ludir madodom papat maduata waberu ki honorable MP elect man Peter Adum Simon Peter Adum ma en ki chwa west waberu tie ki honorable Gilbert Olanya kidong mukene maduata uye beru ki meko bata holijan ci dane ku beru tie madudong dong tele beru tie ilok na microphone ikin zero ka chel ki Jenneth Prischa ugamo microphone ci ono miro bene lo bene miro no miu na chelo mit mamege ci dong la di zero ikit ma do ti mekere anamera nyot botu
now the Lakwed quite microphone open I'm the one controlling kapeno wa nyiki nga
this is Jenneth Prischa
keeping up wa you
malo
yes ngi ba ke ba wa ngela
chelo
ke ba wa ngela chelo
wado
ke microphone ka
akela koya ine amba
can you bring the microphone here please can you bring the microphone here? Can microphone. It was not for nothing that they selected me to run the what? To run the fundraising. So what I'm saying is, if you want it, it will be a debate between me and you until tomorrow. It's okay. No, but what I want is that, please let us have respect.
So, mono enaye lok maugwenye ken jo arioni. Dong hamera wechulu to arangyo jo arioni duju dak bera maro gi duju. Now, tiki yono mutime karme lok ma zero gen ki Jenneth Prischa no dong gitika gwenye ki lok. Ka ini winyo mamot I winyo ki background dano beno dong tika lock magi tika wany ni zero wana nen tika dahuge
you see kill microphone kan
eto gin mangeo ni gen wang remo maliat Jenneth Prischa remo maliat dong bene en men pe mare nywa an inyo kadong kamana nywado balo komeo no chao kene bena gamu kome mananak chi umio en o reacting kere Jenneth Prischa wununge mabe kiri wai wene bene cham kene iwinyo no piema ki cho kidong bene nyogwak bene lanu wan cho bene matek total but ene petia lokno en dano maraj nyogwak ne niro ene la bal Iyuk pa zero weng ma ana beru tia ma zero yo beru kadore pol kare nyono dana dwa ko weng peni mom kidong bene en ti dano ma ngalo in ma bene pe paro dak bene kapegi mo ibido la ming inyim zero kache nen nyang mano zero TMC kita unlock mera tata kidi complaining kita en ti kadore kere yup ini angi mo odo zero wang lok mo malano in so ikit ma anangeo kere zero ti dano ma onopore ke yo onyo bero MC yo mogo mano ka view ti ye mano tele ti ye enuni ka kenyo ene zero Ramadan ye mabe eto ka yo mogo mano mieta dano ben mol mano it's a bit emotion, it's attached to emotion mano umire olotoy winning mo I kere I bakke ka wehe nongi money popo artotwal neno zero ti dano ma en kameno ma on several occasions mane enini I don't have any vendetta against zero at amete dano ngema beni yopo dujo ma anaberu ka cherie tera no chalo zero ni tap wow do anoni no jemi or to wang bale ma tikule ka ken ni otum mape ongware
adi zero kare bedi no dong Jenneth Prischa Inn ta men la we ken mamwa chamo gama microphone as a professional MC. Give a privilege of 1 minute, 2 minutes for Gimone Mangare Marimer Wajanani. But pay not because the yingi you could time again, General Tabado me teach you now. You have the gut me shouting with Dano. You didn't even have respect. May you tell a host, you the master of the ceremony, you the director of the program. Why would you give just only 1 minute for the lady to speak? Such a shame to some of us who direct programs.
So, zero, anangeo ni wanikiri wabogolo kawarwate beno wamare. Don't take this personal, but this is the reality you have to face. Piani gwakadano pe wachi, no ipier tekni in yang lok machal kaman. Gero, kidong buor dano, you know, some cham kene no guak joke interne geno bera chonya no guak gene ober kwan no pe bere twan.
You know, Tama was there, nobody man was there. I dignitaries madam. Utika da to shaking because you want to own the microphone. You want to own everything because you're the director program. Such a shame. What have you contributed? Jenneth Prischa made a jogoneno million a year chain. So why would you stop her to speak just want God give 1 million? She had something very interesting. There parodikwe kanegi pen. There parode chanu unedikwe. Amira for going for what you have done. I want to appreciate you very much. Fu imgini temo. Well, older me or carry Jenneth Prischa. Well, me a chilling million a chair. Because you're a day to our children. You are a channel.
So, keep down, Papa. Angeoni ginatie kubiri, we cannot expect ni kwa zero ramo dom lake piani ugly seal mono berutie. Dano kadoto chalo wa hapa zero ni there is nothing you can change much about him, you know. So, Jenneth Prischa bene, of course, ingeoni ene jemno time kilo time kere enoni. Kidong gino kena momera wachu momero wero nge mabe piani angeni lock pa Jenneth Prischa bene peubero this normal lock ket maching vi en loko kere nero enoni kibero ki open bar le enoni mere tie mere in chen mere margin moge ken ma in roma matone sio mio kirka onero widane no don bene tie la kermo kama eno zimzim uno en pila kumba ma ono bedo benetio ma initiara me chi tulo geno mo kana in mero so lutua anman ene lok ma ana yobo botu ameta lok enono enuni wanda kwa berwate ini amala chen kuno watika lok ma pat ana poi wa po nen an o neno Lakwed TV poi wo juja kamalo wipu will ni ramo mete kiberu la member me Lakwed TV kidong bena in ma foot page donyo iramo donyo kun la member me Lakwed TV kuno tero kimogo matetero ma in ka initiara chi no mano mio support but Lakwed TV we will benefit subscribing kidong you like and you let me know what you think about what happened to me. It was very shaming, very disgraceful, it was very ugly, it was not called for, it was terrible. No perwate mio gine enoni alega ne amara chien gine machalo mo